Welcome Springfielders. I'm Fauzia. I'm going to take a maths class of 7th and the topic is integers. What is an integer, children? In your 5th class you have learned about numbers, counting numbers, isn't it? The numbers which are starting from 1, 2, 3 and so on are called natural numbers, and the numbers which are starting from 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on are called whole numbers. And the numbers, integers, are nothing but combination of whole numbers and a negative numbers, or else you can say it's a combination of positive numbers, negative numbers along with a zero, and it is represented with a letter capital Z or I. Here down I gave some examples of integers. Z is equal to -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. You know very well the what are positive numbers. Those are 1, 2, 3 and so on. What are negative numbers? The numbers which are below 0 are negative numbers. Next, operation of integers. We have 4 operation of integers: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. First, addition of integers. Here we have 4 rules. For the addition of integer, we have 4 rules. Rule 1, if both the integers are positive, then we have to add and give the sign of plus. For example, plus 8 plus 5, that is both the integers are plus. So add 8 plus 5 is 13 and give the sign of plus. In front of 13 we don't have sign, so it's a positive. Next example I gave plus 9 plus 2. Both the integers again we have a positive. That time you have to add, that is 11, and give the sign of plus. Rule 2. If we have two different integers, that is one is positive, one is negative, then we have to subtract. Two different signs, always subtract and give the sign of bigger integer. In the example I gave, first example, plus 5 minus 3. Two different signs, subtract. 5 minus 3 is 2 and give the bigger integer sign, that is plus. In this question number 2, example 2 I gave, plus 7 minus 2. Again two different signs, so subtract, that is 5 and give the bigger integer sign, that is plus. Next, rule 3. If both the integers are negative, then we have to add and give the sign of subtraction sign. For example, minus 3 minus 2. Both the integers have a negative sign, so add, that is 5 and give the sign of minus. In the example 2 also I gave minus 7 minus 3. Again both the integers are negative. Add 7 plus 3 is 10 and give the sign of minus. Rule 4. If the integers are different, one is negative and one is positive, again we have to subtract and give the sign of bigger integer. For example, minus 10 plus 5. Again we have a two different signs, so that time you have to subtract, that is 5. 10 minus 5 is 5 and bigger integer is 10. It has a minus sign, so give the sign of minus. In example 2 also I gave minus 7 plus 2. Again two different signs. So 7 minus 2 is 5 and give the bigger integer sign, that is minus 5. So come to the recapitulation. What is an integer? Once you recap, children, integers are nothing but combination of positive numbers and negative numbers along with a zero. When it is moving on the right side, observe it, the value gets increases. When it moving on the left side, the value gets decreases. Zero doesn't have any sign, neither positive nor negative. Here we have some homework questions. Observe the question number 1. Write any 5 negative integers. I think you can able to write. Question number 2. Write any 5 positive integers. I think you can able to write. Question number 3. Which integer have neither positive nor negative? Please complete your homework. Thank you.